The blower motor is located in the passenger side footwell. To access it, you must first remove the kick panel or protective piece that is up under the dash. Use a T20 Torx and remove the 3 screws holding it in place, as indicated by the red arrows, and pivot it down from the front. Disconnect the electrical connection for the footwell light, red arrow. Pull out the connection for the footwell temperature sensor, red arrow. Now you can slide the piece all the way down and then pull it out. There are 2 electrical connections attached to the blower motor. Release the small tabs indicated by the red arrows on the connection and slide them off the motor. Next, gently pull down on the tab on the side of the blower motor, red arrow. With the tab pulled down, turn the motor clockwise and wiggle and pull it down out of the housing. With the motor out of the vehicle, you can better see the tab you will be gently pulling down on, red arrow. The housing goes up into the air box in the engine compartment, red arrow. Make sure to clean the housing, as all kinds of things can get up in there. Try lubricating the bearing on the cage, but most motors fail because of the bushings wearing out or the bearing completely failing. Unlike some of the older Mercedes models, you cannot just replace the motor. The new unit comes complete with the motor and cage. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.